As a blind person, Catherine Bonet says that she felt safe walking the metro platforms, but in April of 2011, she fell into the Clarendon tracks and faced severe injuries.
It's like there. It was all the way, from here all the way to my wrist.
She fractured her elbow and went through emergency surgery and says that she was just a couple feet away from the electric track that would have killed her.
I got my life back. I should be dead.
Bonet is part of a growing community of blind people who are saying that they are put in danger by the lack of bumpy tiles at the metro stops. So this is what the debate is all about. Bumpy tiles that line the end of platforms at many stations, such as this one at U Street. But meanwhile, at other stations, such as this one at Shaw, you'll see that there are no bumpy tiles to offer a warning of an incoming train.
This is an area of inconsistency that creates a public safety situation that is untenable.
Since Bonet's fall, Metro has responded. Of the 86 Metro stops in the D.C. area, 71 now have the bumpy tiles. And Christian Kent of Metro says that more are on the way.
There's an obligation to put them in every new station that would be open. So, once we complete this task, they will be forevermore in every Metro station.
Bridges says that he is happy that the tiles are being added, but worries that the time frame is too long.
I think that having them all done by 2015 is a good thing, but it's really late in the game.
From Washington, this is Evan Kozlov, News 4.